What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Unfortunately, you can tell by the title, Honestcoin is dead. XCN Honestcoin is a dud. And I'm going to go over why this is in this technical analysis. So Honestcoin is down 0.6% at 1 cent. We have a market cap of 530 million. We have a circulating supply of 33 billion out of 48 billion. We have the all-time high was 3 years ago. We're down 91.5%. There are some big news that dropped on this, and yeah, wait till you guys hear about it. All-time low was over a year ago. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, everybody, if you stuck around this long, you know that XCN is not dead. You know XCN is getting ready to blast off, and we have the technical analysis to prove it. So I don't know how many people clicked off the video after listening to that intro, but we bounced off this 382 perfectly. I know we've seen a retracement. A lot of coins have seen a retracement, but drawing the fib, this is the prior fib we had drawn last time, bounced perfectly off the 382. We had that red box of resistance drawn back here, and you can see we hit that red box perfectly, and of course got that drop back down to the prior support. We talked about that in the last video, which was a while ago. Indicators are completely reset in the day chart, guys. This is where money is made right here. You have the MACD the last 2 days have been more bullish than bearish. You have the RSI, which is reset, starting to tail back up. You have the WTX, which is way low. You have a lot of room to run up there. And the big boy right here, stock RSI, completely reset and flatlined. And we have all this room here, guys, all this room to run to the upside. Last time we had this was right here, and we ran up to the 618. So hopefully with the momentum of the bull market kicking in, we can smash through that. And the thing is, like, if we draw the downtrend from the wicks, you can see that that red box is still going to be our contender of a resistance area. So that's the area that we really have to focus on. And last time we did touch this 382 was prior back here at April 4th. And you can see that downtrend held us. So my personal opinion, the short term, that's our area that we need to focus on right here. Bottom the top, that's a 31% gain from where we're currently at. The candle that's currently spawning in right here, it's called the reverse hammer candle. If you don't know what a reverse hammer candle is, this is it. You can Google it. I'm not lying to you guys. That's a reverse hammer candle, which is showing a reversal getting ready to play out here. So I am going to toss a long on this bad boy and reap in some profits off of it. But right now, everything's looking fine for XCN. People panicking, everything like that, are probably new to crypto, man. If you've been in the market long enough, the little drop like that doesn't phase you, especially if you've been through a bear market, which some of you guys, if you haven't been through it, you will. You will. Longer term, if we draw from the bottom to the current high back in January of 2025, the next main resistance area is the 786 here at about 2 cents. So 2 cents is our next stop. Long behold, look at that. That's right where the bottom of our box is as well. So we're to be keeping an eye on 2 cents in the short term. I think that's where we're probably heading right here. Support held very, very well comparative to a lot of other coins that broke a lot of support and resistance areas. We've pretty much just been consolidating since April, believe it or not. If you would have bought here in April, it'd be the exact same price. XCN is set up to run, in my personal opinion. The market cap and everything is looking juiced up. The chart's looking primed, primed to run. And all we have to do is get above that 618. All we have to do is get above 2 to 2.5 cents, and then this thing's going to start ripping right here. So buy fear, sell greed. That's Warren Buffett's thing. But regardless, it's made a lot of people money when you buy fear and you sell greed, right? Especially if you've been through a bear market and you never give up on crypto and continually DCA. It's just the indicators right now are primed. We have the stock RSI completely reset, and we flatlined here, guys. There's nowhere else to go but up. And then if you look at the 3-day chart, the longer day chart right here, 3-day chart, this is the exciting part here. The 3-day chart, the stock RSI hasn't been reset since April 4th. And guess what happened on April 4th? That was this one. That was a huge 6 days. Each one of these candles was 3 days, 6-day God candles, which was a 278% gain. And look at, we haven't crossed over yet. But we're getting near that point on the stock RSI where we bottom out and start working our way. So we're getting very, very close. On top of that, the MACD as well. The MACD is showing that we're not extremely bearish in the scenario, and we still are right on that 382. So time will tell. The big thing is I was hyping up that one day, but the 3-day chart right here is just primed, absolutely primed, guys. So the 382 is at 1.5. Hopefully we hold above 1.5 or around 1.5. If we break below it, then obviously I'm wrong. It is what it is. But indicators and everything in the whole entire market sentiment is looking pretty solid for XCN. So in my personal opinion, we have a reverse hammer candle. Indicators are primed to juiced up. I think we're heading back up to 2 cents to test that resistance area. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins that you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.